I made this beautiful tallow brown soap with just 4 ingredients without glycerin and alcohol. It's high foamy soap that lather well, very hard and strong, long-lasting multi-purpose bar. I unmold it exactly after 14 hours of making the soap. You can see how strong it is. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful multi-purpose bar soap at home, kindly watch this video till end and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Let's continue. My number one ingredient is tallow. Tallow, I'll be using 500 grams and I double boil to melt it. After melted, I turn it into my mixing bowl. I'll be making use of 86 grams of caustic soda, followed by my foam booster, 50 ml, then 200 ml of clean water, 200 ml of clean water, 50 ml of foam booster, and 86 grams of caustic soda. Now my caustic soda go into my clean water. I added my caustic soda into my clean water. Always protect yourself while dealing with caustic soda and make sure you protect yourself by wearing hand glove. Know very well that caustic soda is highly corrosive. Then mix all the caustic soda into the clean water until it dissolves and set it aside to clear off before continuing with your production. Note that the tallow oil is still hot and your lye solution must be hot at least 90%. Just make sure the caustic soda clear off. Then you add it into the oil immediately. As you add it, you stir it together. Add and stir together very well. Continue stirring until there is no separation between oil and the lye solution. Tallow oil is one of the oil that can give you profit because it's very cheap and you can get it where they are selling meat. All these cow slaughter. Tell them you want to buy a cow fat. Negotiate with them. It's very, very cheap. Buy and bring it home. Render it and turn it into oil. The next I'm adding is my foamy booster. 50 ml of foam booster. I added my 50 ml of foam booster and I stir it together very, very well. Stir it together until you have a trace, that is until all the oil and the ingredients mix together without separation. If you look at it very closely, you will see that we have a very light trace. It's very, very light. So what you need to do here is to continue stirring. Continue stirring until you get to a thick trace. I will be using my stick blender to mix it in order to achieve my thick trace on time. If you don't have a stick blender, continue mixing it with your stapler and it will trace in no time. Before I continue mixing it, I'll be adding my brown color. My brown color is my sugar solution. I melted sugar to make my brown color. I'll be adding the procedure on how you can melt your sugar and make it a brown color in the next video. So I added my brown color and I continue mixing it. It's already getting thick. If you don't have stick blender, make use of whatever you have to mix your soap batter. Don't let that one discourage you. At this stage, you can add your perfume or fragrance and continue mixing it. Mix it together very well until you get into a stage like this. Then get your mold prepared and turn it into your mold. This is a profitable recipe and a simple formula that you can use for your commercial brown soup. As you can see, the formula is very simple. The recipe also is straightforward. So you can practice this on your own. Get your tallow. Tallow is very cheap. If I consider the 500 grams of tallow that I use in this production, is not even up to 500 naira. Imagine at the end of this production, the money I use in making this soap is not up to 1,000 naira. So you see, if you follow this procedure, you will use this formula as a profitable commercial bar soap. You can use any color of your choice. Maybe you don't want to make it a brown color soap. You can add any other color to it at that particular stage that I added my brown color. So after turning it into my mold, I make sure I tap it in order not to leave any space in between. Tap it and I set it aside for 12 to 24 hours before unmolding it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Turn on your notification bell. It will always notify you when I drop another video. This is after 13 to 14 hours and I came back to unmold my soap. You can see it came out very beautiful. Let's unmold it. I bring it out from my mold. You can see how beautiful it is and is very strong. Just 14 hours after the production. Now let's do the cutting. I use my kitchen knife to do the cutting. Here is it. This is a multi-purpose bar soap. You can use it for your laundry. You can use it to bathe. Tallow has a great benefit to our skin. It's moisturizing. It has an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And take a look at the foaming level of this soap. It's lathered very well. Hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share for other people to benefit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.